Okay, exercise 8.2, problem 14, discussion. Let's read the problem. The radius and height of a right circular cone are in the ratio of 2:3. Find the slant height if its volume is 100.48 cubic centimeter. Take pi equal to 3.14. Okay, let's mark what's given in the problem. Okay, ratio is 2:3. What ratio? The radius and the height are in the ratio of 2:3. As usual, you can take this as 2y and 3y. The radius can be taken as 2y and height can be taken as 3y. Anything else they have given? Okay, they have given here the volume is 100.48. Okay, the volume is 100.48. What else? They have told it as a cone. Okay, anything else? And they have asked us to take pi as 3.14. This is something which you need to keep in mind. Okay, anything else? I guess that's it. So let's write what is given. So r is to h, the ratio of radius to height is 2:3, volume is 100.48 cubic centimeter. Okay, what are we asked to calculate? We are asked to calculate, find the slant height. Find the slant height. Okay, right. Now let's write the formula which connects the slant height to radius and height, and also we'll write the formula for v. You can see L equal to root of h square plus r square and v equal to 1/3 pi r squared h. Okay, if you look into this formula, we cannot calculate L as of now because we don't know h and we don't know r, but we only have the ratio of r is to h. Okay, so this is not usable as of now. Let's come to this formula. V equal to 1/3 pi r square h. V is given, which is 100.48, but r and h are again not known. Okay, so what can we do? Okay, but they have given this information. R is to h is 2:3, which means radius you can take it as 2y and height you can take it as 3y. So substitute those values, then this equation will become, v is already known, it will become everything in terms of y, which means y can be calculated. In one equation, one unknown can be calculated. So replace r as 2y and h as 3y and simplify and solve for y. Once you know y, you can calculate r because that is 2y and height, that is 3y, right? So r and h is calculated. Once you know r and h, you substitute those values in this formula and calculate slant height. So this is broadly the way to do this problem. Let me summarize it step by step. Step: assume r equal to 2y and h equal to 3y. In any ratio problem, this is a standard method. Okay, right. Next, substitute values of r, which is 2y here, h, which is 3y here, and v, which is 100.48 here, in v equal to 1/3 pi r squared h, and calculate y, right? Because v is known. Now once you substitute r and h in terms of y, it will all become, the right side will be in terms of y, and then you can calculate y. Once you have done y, use y and calculate r and h. R is 2h. Okay, r is 2y and h is 3y. So you can calculate radius and height. Step 4. Now you know r and height. So you need to substitute those values here in this equation and calculate the slant height. You got it? Okay. Now what you can do is pause the video here and try to work the problem on your own, and then come back and look into the solution, which we'll be putting out shortly. Okay. Okay, the solution. Okay, solution. Given radius to height is 2:3 and volume is 100.48. So let the radius and height of the cone be r equal to 2y and h equal to 3y. They are in the ratio of 2y is to 3y, that is 2:3. Volume of the cone is given by v equal to 1/3 pi r squared h. Now let's substitute. So 1 by 3, and we are specifically asked to write pi as 3.4. So y will be, pi is 3.14 into our radius is 2y. So 2y into 2y into height is 3y equal to 100.48. So from which what will you get? Y into y into y is y cubed, and all others are numbers. So 100.48, transfer all the numbers here. Okay. So 100.48 into 3 divided by 3.14 into 2 into 2. This 3 and 3 will cancel, and this 2 and 2 is 4. That will go in 100.48 to 25.12 and divided by 3.14. Okay, if you look at this carefully, 8 3s are 24, and 8 into 14 is 112, that is 1.12 here. Okay, so 24 plus 1.12 is 8. So this will go 8 times. So it is easily divisible. That is the reason they have asked us to take pi as 3.14. Okay, so once they ask us to take pi as 3.14, you can expect that it will get divided easily. Okay, so it's 25.12 divided by 3.14, that is equal to 8. So y cubed equal to 8. So y equal to cube root of 8, that is equal to 2. Okay, now you have the value of y. You can calculate radius, which is 2y, that is 2 into 2, 4 centimeter. Height is 3y, that is 3 into 2, it's equal to 6 centimeter. The slant height of the cone is given by root of h square plus r square. So that is equal to 6 square plus 4 square, that is root 52, 36, and this is 16. Okay, so that's root 52. 52 you can split it as 4 into 13. Square root of 4 is 2. 13 we don't have a square root in a whole number, so we'll keep it as it is. So it becomes 2 root 13 centimeter. So slant height is given by 2 root 13 centimeter. Okay, so that's it in the solution. I hope you got the problem correct. If you have not got it correct, please check where you have made a mistake and correct it. And if you have not got the concept correctly, please go back to the discussion part of the video and get your concepts cleared. Once your concept is cleared, the problem is very easy to work out. Okay, thank you for watching the video.